Well, we're just getting our act together with masking and preparing, so then we can do some great painting. So it's always a little bit slow at the beginning, but you know, slow and steady wins the race, I guess is the word.
Now we know what your priority.
Serving the community and just like seeing what we can do for more low-income families and what we can do to help our community, so we can all bring each other together.